I'm not saying life is whipping my, but that chick got hands. That chick got hands.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is every week you get to see me, and gonna get this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. Because on the pop, we keep rocking, we ain't stop there. Hi. But hey y'all, so my uploading schedule is going to be changed. I'm not gonna put it in concrete. Not gonna put it concrete yet, but I am gonna change my uploading schedule because I'm gonna try to upload during the week, so the weekends I can record. Because yeah, I'm not saying life is whipping my, but that chick got hands. That chick got hands, period. Y'all just posted that on my TikTok because life, she about to take me out. She about to take me out, but there. So anyways, you guys, so I'm getting back into the hair videos, and no, I'm not doing a hair tutorial, but I did buy me some cute curly wigs from Amazon in different lengths. So that's what today's video is going to be, me trying on these cheap Amazon wigs that are actually the same but just in different lengths. I got a 10-inch one, I got a 14-inch one, and I have a 16-inch one. I was really going for something more so like the 16-inch, but then when I saw it came in three different lengths, I'm like, ooh, I want all three of them because I feel like all three of them would be cute. So yeah, so this is from Annie Soul. And this is a short curly wig at Resistant Full Wigs, and it comes in a bag like this, really nice bag. All these wigs be made from China, y'all, and I think so for this one I paid $9.99 for it. I'm not, oh well, it's gone back up to $14.99 now, but I paid $9.99 for it because I caught it when it was I think it was on sale. So yeah. Oh, it comes with some big hoop earring, girl, and it comes with a wig cap. They all be coming with wig caps. Tattoos? Are these tattoos? Girl, not the water tattoo where you gotta put the water on it and girl. Let's pull her out. This is how she looks, and this is the 10-inch one. I got this one in the red. I thought I had gotten this. I thought I had gotten a 10-inch one in black. But I guess I did not. Of course, I'm not gonna use that wig cap because I have my own. Mine is dirty, but don't pay attention to that. But yeah, this is how she looks. Take this net off and just fluff her out, girl. Fluff her out. See, I got these wigs because I wanted something full. Y'all know I be in different moods, so I had to get the different lengths because maybe sometimes I feel like I want a short wig, and then sometimes I might feel like I want to wear a long curly wig. So that's why I got the three different lengths. It does come with the little drawstring so you can pull it to your desired tightness. Yeah, I don't feel like doing that right now. And why do I look like Corbin Blue from High School Musical? It's definitely going to need some adjusting and cutting and shaping to my likeness, because you can see the bang is a little bit too long, but I like it. It's bouncy, it's soft. I love that this wig is so freaking soft. Now y'all, for Thanksgiving, this is the look that I was going for, but I was going for a little bit longer than 10 inches. I think I didn't record any videos during the time that I had my little Thanksgiving hairstyle, but I had this kind of look going on. Of course the bang wasn't this long, honey, because this bang is not banging the way I want her to be banging, because she is too long and she is not the business. I'll try to pull it up a little bit into, but she is a cute, she is giving this is my hair, she is giving body, she is giving life, she is giving, yes baby girl, yes. I love it. I love this red for some reason is becoming my color. I'm starting to fall in love with red. Red is just fiery and hot, and just it gives me what it needs to be given, because this right here is gorgeous. This is beautiful. When I tell y'all, this wig is so bouncy, like you can't even tell that this is a $9 wig. Well, a $10 wig, because it's $9.99. You can't tell it's a $10 wig, because anytime I get curly wigs like this, I pay a good penny for a wig like this. The cheapest I've ever paid for a curly wig like this, a curly wig like this with this much body, was maybe $25. I've never paid $10 for a good wig like this, because this is a good wig. Look at the curl texture. Like, this look like it could actually be my hair. If you didn't know that I didn't have hair, you would not be able to tell that this wasn't my hair. She is bum.com. I don't even want to take her off, because she's just giving me so much life. Oh, so this is the 14-inch one, y'all. It's the same. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the black one. Everything is the same that comes in it. It say Nivea on this one, but it comes with this little card to show you how y'all can style it and stuff if you want it. If you want it, let me go take this one off. This is another one you're gonna have to play around and adjust to your likeness, baby. This one right here is way thicker than the one I just took off, and I can see how you can like put it in different hairstyles, because it's like it already came like they were trying to style it or something. I'm hoping nobody had this on. This wig here is it. I wish 1,000 times I would have gotten this one in a color, because I love this length. Now this is the exact look I was trying to go for Thanksgiving, y'all, and the hairstyle that I had was not giving this at all. Like, this is the exact curl pattern. This is the exact look that I wanted for Thanksgiving. This is how I tried to do my hair, and it didn't do. Okay, Win, rude. It just didn't do what it needed to do. So I should have just ordered this wig for Thanksgiving, but I wasn't thinking. But she is it, y'all. I love this. I just wish it was a color. Wish we got it in a different color. But black is cute. When I put my makeup on and stuff, she is gonna be it. She is gonna be giving. She is gonna be like, baby, baby girl, what you saying? You are my world. Hello. Who are you? Who is she? Who is that girl in my camera? Who is she? She's still $22.99. If you want to get the 14-inch one, like, this is how it comes on here. So I know if I keep playing around with it, I can make it look like that, but y'all know I ain't. But I'm not playing around with it, so of course it don't look like that right now, but you can play with it, fool around with it, and make it look like it's supposed to look. But she cute though. So let's go ahead and try on this last one. Oh baby, this is my amber one. I've been dying for something amber, orange, whatever this color is. I've been dying for me a color like this. So on here is copper. It's copper, and this one is $27.99. So this is the 16-inch one. Let me take this one off and go ahead and try this one on. Whew. Okay, so this one you really gonna have to play around with. Like, I see the execution of where they were going, but like, it's like with this 16-inch one, y'all, they were struggling. they were struggling to get it how they, well, maybe it's just me struggling, because it seems like this side is becoming what it's supposed to be becoming. So maybe it's just me struggling. So, oh, so you just gotta keep picking it out. You just gotta keep picking her out. Why the do I look like a white woman? Girl. The wind be scaring me when it does that. Girl. Hold up. Cause when I keep playing with her, I'm starting to feel myself. Like, you keep playing with it like it's not. If I keep playing with it, of course I'm gonna get it to look how I want it to look. But I love this color. I am so glad I got this color. This right here is freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I keep playing around with it. The only thing I will tell y'all is it sheds, but it's synthetic. So take that however you want to take it, because it looks a little bit more full than the picture on Amazon, because the Amazon one is not as thick as this one. It doesn't look as thick as this one, and maybe it's just my camera. I don't know, it probably don't look as thick to y'all, but to me, I think on camera it looks a little bit more full than it looks in person. Like in person, it looks like it's looking on this doll, on this mannequin, on this thing. But when I'm looking at it on the camera, like it's looking like it's giving thick. She thick. That's what it looked like it's giving. All three lengths, I will leave the link to it so you can go and purchase it. Really cute wigs, really cheap. Especially if you want the look like, girl, this is bomb. And all three of them are soft, and they're so honey now. But that's it, guys. Comment below which one is your favorite. And like I said, I'll leave all the links for all three of them down in the description box, so you can go and pick out whichever one that you like. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.